a laser technology for particle size. It can be rest moisture measurement.
With real-time data and monitoring being imperative in continuous manufacturing, how do you think technologies like IoT or AI or machine learning enhances the accuracy of the entire process?
Yeah. Let us first of all start with continuous manufacturing, what we do, because in continuous manufacturing we collect data from what we call PIT, that is the Process Analytical Technology. That can be an NIR sensor for content uniformity, it can be a laser technology for particle size, it can be a rest moisture measurement and with NIR or with microwave, so we can monitor the conditions of the product all the way through the continuous manufacturing process. These data are collected in our control system, so we can monitor the stage of the product in the whole process all the time. And we can also trace the product to the manufacturing process, meaning that we identify the source lot when we start, we identify the target lot, but even if we are out of spec, we can then identify the waste lot. That means the material which was not good, we get a measurement, let's say that the rest moisture is not as it should be, we take it out for waste, the equipment adjusts itself again and we go back into production and we identify the waste lot. We know exactly what has been taken out and how much is taken out. That is what our control system takes care of, and that's the heart of continuous manufacturing. The process equipment as such, the granulator, the dryer and so on, that is of course important from a design point of view, but the control system is the heart and the most important part of continuous manufacturing.